See, this is salmon. Whole salmon, Alaskan. Cooking, 20 pounds. Salmon. Very beautiful fish. So now, what I have to do, I have to flip it. This is in breadcrumbs, mayonnaise, bay, seasoning, all complete seasoning, salt. Soon I'm gonna put pepper. That just because it just sounds good together. Salt and pepper. Okay. So this fish. Now I have to flip the fish, and then I'm gonna put it on my belly. I'm gonna show you. So now I can do like this. I grab this fish and put it on this belly. Kind of. Oh, or you just flip. Just flip. This big fish. Oh. Very cool, very cool. This is big fish. And we're gonna cook it up. The top, we need top. Like this top. Maybe a little bit oil. I think needs oil. See fish. This is huge salmon. Huge. This is all delicious. Looks delicious to me. See, this is the skin. The skin I'm gonna put back. Oh, see? Very nice. Fish, very cool, hold on. Need just hands, see, these gloves unnecessary. Oh, very cool. Very nice. So we're cooking. Now, just need a little bit oil. Julie, come here. Oil. This one, virgin oil, olive oil. See, like this. Okie dokie. See, like that. So it doesn't burn our fish, I don't want fish burnt. And have to close it up. Have to close this beautiful fish on. Julie. Try. This is wild Alaskan. No, this is good, Julie. It's not hot. Try this one. This one not hot. See, she loves it, you see? This is what I'm talking about. See? This is our wild Alaskan, huge 30-pound salmon. No, I'm kidding. I'm 20. But very beautiful fish. We can even, like right now, I would put it in the oven. Because for better cooking, I'm gonna put in oven. Because oven, kinda I think better if I but do oven also, because this is huge fish. I need it cooked, thorough cooked. See, like that, put in oven. Like this, see, oh, beautiful fish. And then bake for 333. Start. Excellent. And this, we'll continue grilling this piece because it looks nice. It looks edible. Sorry, the mess, but this fish, oh, looking very beautiful. This is gonna be amazing fish. Keep watching. Please keep watching our channel. We appreciate you. Thank you so much. I'll show you next when it's fully cooked, this fish. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.